Hello, Mark here, trust you're well. In a recent live Lightroom skills and support session that I hosted, some of the community members asked about the user interface. So I thought I'd do this quick video to help you understand some shortcuts and functionality. So here I am, I'm in Lightroom Classic, Grid View, Library Module. And sometimes the library filter bar has disappeared. If we hit the / key, which is usually located by the return key on your keyboard, it'll show or hide the library filter bar. So you can see your text, your attributes, metadata, or none. In the same light, if you press T on your keyboard in the grid view, it hides and shows your toolbar. So that's the functionality at the bottom of the grid. Now, to help you a little bit further, if you come down to the right-hand corner of the grid center panel, there's a little triangle that points down. If you click on that triangle, up will pop up a little menu. And there's all the functionality in the toolbar. So if you want everything to see from the viewing options to the sort options, the type of files, ratings, color labels, rotation, zooming, you can just turn them on there. And the next thing I'd like to show you is what they call lights out mode. Whatever panel you're in, whatever module you're in, so let's click on this image of a dog's nose. If I press L, it goes into a dim mode. Press L again, lights out, totally dark. L again, it brings the panels back to the normal luminosity. But if I press Tab, now I've taken the panels away. Press L again, dim mode. Press L again, dark mode. Press L again, I come back. Now if you want to see the whole of the image, just press F, full screen. Press F again, brings you back. Now, if you want to change the opacity value, we come up to your preferences. Under interface, lights out, you can change the color and you can change the dim level. Default is 80%, which is what you saw. I hope they've been of help to you today. If you'd like to know more skills and support, just visit lightroommark.com, and I hope one day you'd like to come to one of our live Lightroom skills and support sessions. Happy editing!